What it do, y'all? It's your boy Bright, back with a video. And we'll take a vert to get groomed, so we cruise with a vert to get groomed today. Do a little cold start, then we're gonna bring a vert with us. Early morning cold start. Alright, we out of my neighborhood, so now it's time to start recording. We in the middle of the street. Let me see if y'all can see my little homie. My car messy, we ain't gonna talk about it. I'm a working man. I'm still sick, y'all can hear it in my voice. The reason why I thought this video is called Cruising to get my dog groomed, because my little homie Vert be getting I said dog sick. He be getting car sick every time I drive him in the car. He throw up. Not like every time, but like majority of the times he hops into a car, he gets car sick. I don't know if there's something behind it. Maybe someone comment down below. I don't know why that is, but cause I really be cruising. Like especially when I got him in the car, I be cruising. Like I don't be out here doing the most, cause I know he get car sick, you know. But if y'all got the same problem, let me know. Y'all be getting car sick too, or if y'all dog get car sick. And then the people that want to know what type of gun I got from the last video, it was a Glock 48 MSO. So now y'all know what I'm carrying, but it don't matter because I always keep one in the head for safety precautions. But yeah, we finna just cruise. Ain't finna do too much cause I want my little homie getting car sick. Well, he moved over for me. That's my dog for real. I feel like whenever I'm in my car, cause I drive my people's car too sometimes. Like when you in like a Mopar, I feel like people just move out the way for you. They just know like they know what's up. You feel me? Like I don't know why I don't get that same feeling when I'm in other cars. Cause I drove a lot of people's cars. When I'm in my Mopar, I just feel like people just move out the way majority of the time. They just know what's up. They just know like, yo, that's big dog type shit, you know? I need to get my voice back. I sound like a whole, I don't even know what I sound like. If y'all from Florida, I wanted to tell y'all what, I was about to say y'all from Florida, y'all know where I'm at. But y'all definitely, I don't live in a popular city, so y'all definitely don't know where I'm at. Damn. I think I'm about to clickbait this video. I see cops. There's so many cops in Palm Beach, it's ridiculous. Well, he just posted it. He's not even doing that. I thought he was pulling somebody over. I think the people be speeding around here though, because he just sitting there just to like control traffic. And that's the whole school right here, so it's like, I say no people be speeding, because like why is there a cop sitting right there waiting people to like, you know what I'm saying, to tell people to like slow down, you know what I'm saying? In front of a school zone. I just showed people be speeding in front of a school. It's crazy. Got this mysterious school bus right here, just right in my way. I can't see nothing. I hate being behind like trucks and stuff. Even though I'm in a big high car, I hate being behind trucks. I can't see nothing in front of me. Where y'all be getting y'all dog groomed? I've been to a couple places, but so far I like Petco the most. Petco be doing my little homie right. Oh, somebody about to get pulled over. Somebody about to get pulled over, if y'all can see that shit. It will not be me. He seen somebody was after. Bro, it better not be me. On my dreads, it better not be me. Nah, it's not me. That's not even the same cop. This whole different cop. I feel like that's bad luck seeing two cop cars in what, 5 minutes? I feel like that's gotta be bad luck or a warning just to like tighten up and don't mess up while you're driving today. That's a warning for all you car heads today. Like, don't drive crazy, just cruise. Don't do nothing extra. Well, like, he about to get into an accident. I don't know what he doing. Oh, shit, I'm about to do the same shit. This is 2 times in a row where I done a POV for y'all, and I don't see no crazy cars I had to race. I wouldn't have raced anyway because I got him in the back, but, like, I ain't seen nobody test me, like, in 2 days now, you know? Usually, like, people be trying to rev up next to me, test me a little bit. I don't see nothing. Y'all want a big truck? I look, you want me a TRX, but at the same time, I don't. Like, a top speed, it's like 110. Well, I can see myself in a big truck. I would just need a reason, a purpose behind it. Like, I don't be seeing the purpose of people having them big TRXs and not doing nothing with it. They just got it to daily drive or just a weekly drive, but not really do nothing with it. Like, if I'm not carrying big appliances or something, I don't see a purpose in me buying no big truck like that. The Range Rover look hard though. Even though I'm not a big fan of it, it look hard. I feel like Range Rover is more of like a girl car. Maybe I'm tripping, maybe I'm not tripping, but I feel like it's more of a girl car. You know, like, there is guys who buy Range Rovers. I know, like, it's not my bucket list of cars to get is a Range Rover, you know? I'm touching, because that's like, a 70 up K car. Like, if I'm touching good money, I'm not getting no Range Rover. But at the same time, I love my sports cars. Even if I wasn't getting, like, a luxury car, like, I wouldn't get no luxury SUV. I'd get, like, a luxury car. It's one car that I'll never buy. I'll never buy a Hyundai. I don't care how bad my luck is in life, I'll never buy a Hyundai. It's a lot of brands that you don't get into, like Hyundai is like, what's a bad clothing brand? Hyundai is like I can't even guess of a bad, I was gonna say like Echo or something, but I can't think of a bad clothing brand, but like, or like Fubu, like Hyundai is the bad car brand, like Hyundai's and Guess cars or Genesis, whatever they're called. 2 cars I would never buy, no matter how down bad I am. I'll give me anything other than a Hyundai. And I don't really know the reason my Hyundai. I just always been like, yes, I was legit. I just never liked Hyundais. Like, I ain't never once in my life thought, okay, that's a cool car as a Hyundai. Just no matter what time of the day it is, I could be on my last dollar. I'm getting it for free. I wouldn't take no damn Hyundai. That's just me though. We about to get a new car soon. You know what I'm saying? Y'all keep dropping likes in the video. We about to get this new car. Y'all comment down below, guess what it is. Y'all gonna like it. I know everybody gonna like that shit. That shit fast. Probably get the paperwork first. So, taking delivery of my new car. I might make it my next video, to be honest. We gonna see. I do want to go to a dealership for y'all on test drives and stuff, because I go to a dealership, I can test drive any car I want to, just because I got it like that, just because my dreads swing like that. So, y'all want to see me test drive a car, which I want to see me test drive next. I really want to test drive a BMW M340, because I haven't drove one of those yet. I drove an F80, I liked it, but why didn't I get it? Oh, it was an accident. If y'all want to know how I get cars, I'll drop a whole video on that separately, but like, I'll give you a little short thing right now. Like, I get cars because I got good credit, so it's like, I be getting cars, I don't even gotta put nothing down when I get cars, you know? I've been building my credit for a while, so you build your credit up, get your credit union, you ain't gotta put money down for it, you got it like that. Like, I want to trade this in and get a Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? That's the Dodge dealership right here. I'm not gonna see it's too late. I already should show you out the front, but it's a Dodge dealership right there. I went there a couple times. They are such a scam, bro. They be selling it. I went there like a year ago. They had her selling scat packs for like $60K. Another cop. That's crazy. Oh, another cop. I don't want to see him recording. Well, for 3 cops in like 10 minutes is crazy. It gotta be a warning. Drive safe, everybody. But yeah, I went to that Dodge dealership. They was out here selling scat packs for like $60K, $70K. And they weren't like special scat packs. They're just basic scat packs. Some of them weren't even wide body. I'm like, bro, I could buy a whole used Hellcat. That's almost some, yeah, but make your money back, you get you a scat pack, you know. Like a lot of times, bro, like I don't buy cars to sell it and resell. Like I get them for the enjoyment, bro. I'm out here, I lose warranty when I first got another cop car. Yo, that's crazy. 4 cop cars. Yo, if this ain't a sign from above to like tighten up and don't drive crazy today, this is my sign from above to not drive crazy today. That is crazy, but yeah, 60, 70K for a scat pack. I might as well go give me a Hellcat. I can give me 70K. I can give me a 2019 or 21 Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? Maybe 22 Hellcat for 70K. They talk about something, yeah, but you can't trade it in and get the same money back for it. It's going to depreciate. And it's like, I don't be worried about that. When I get cars, they're going to depreciate anyway. I drive the shit out of them. I take it, the warranty gets gone the first week because I modify all my cars. So warranty gone, and I drive them cars crazy. So it's like, I don't be looking to, like, I don't buy cars. I will say I don't buy cars for investments, but at the same time, I do make content with the car. So that's my investment right there, you know. But I don't like buy it to trade it back in. Like I'd be a fool to buy a scat pack for 70K when I can buy a Hellcat for 70K. Like I gotta be a fool. And mama ain't raised no fool. This cop coming on my left side. I be feeling like because I'm in this car, cops be like just like get behind me purposely because he got behind me. Like I really be feeling purposely like cops getting right behind me just to scan my car, just to see if I do anything illegal, I got anything bad under my name or nothing. Oh, I got a Beamer. I'm not racing him though. He went on red right when he passed me in front of the cops. Like, what we gonna like? What you trying to do? Like, I'm not gonna do it though. But like, what's he trying to do? But like I was saying, bro, cops really be getting behind me just to like see if let's see what this guy does. Does he up to anything illegal or not? What kind of Beamer is this? Is this M3? Is it M4? I don't know what this is. This shit hard though. I think it's an M4. It is an M4. It's either an M4 or 4 Series. It is an M4. Yeah, it's an M4. I was gonna get an M4 too instead of getting this car. I got the camera down because a cop right next to me, but I want to get an M4 instead of getting this car. But then when I realized that my 7-seater is faster than like the M4, the older M4 is like let me see what year, like let me think, 2019 and down. Then my scat pack is faster than M4s that are like 2019 and down, because that's what I was looking for, those type of M4s. I realized that my 7-seater sedan is faster than a 2-door coupe M4. I was like, bruh, I'm not getting no M4. It don't make no sense to me. And then either like they're like the same speed or this car is faster. So I was like, well, why am I getting a coupe to go the same speed as my sedan? Like I really feel like you lose a lot of cool points when you rev up next to me in a sedan and you lose. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you look silly as shit out here losing to a big ass 7-seater that weigh like 5,000-6,000 pounds when your car weigh 2,000 to 3,000 pounds and you got a 2-door. You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like that should really be killing your vibe, because I know I'd be angry as shit if I race a big ass sedan in my coupe and I lose. I'd be tight as shit. That should ruin my day. Imagine you got your girl next to you, you in a nice little convertible coupe. You know what I'm saying? You think you that man for real. He keep revving next to y'all, really? Nah.
Turn right into the parking lot.
I gotta take a turn right. He lucky. But like, you know, as a man, you low-key feel like you lost it all. You know, you feel cool when you in a sports car, and then you go against a sedan in a race and he just beats you like that. You just lose all aura. You know what I'm saying? So that's one reason why I got this car. I feel like it's really humiliating when you lose to this car. But we made it here. Quick little cruise. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna see before and after. Y'all already seen before what Vert looked like, so y'all gonna see after. I'm really 10 minutes late because I had to walk him because he had to use the bathroom, but it should be good. I'll let y'all see after. You do it all the time. Come on. Come. Bert, we're late. Come. 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 You jump all the time. We get on camera now. Y'all know how to act.
Hold on, 'cause I need to. No, it doesn't. It doesn't say.
And this is what Vert looks like now. Vert. It's a whole new man right there. It's a whole new man. Let them know it's a whole new man. It's a whole new man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe.